awesome. Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Gold Coast where the local time is 20 minutes past 10. If your mobile phone is within reach, you may now switch it off flight mode. For your own safety, it is important that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers as your luggage may have moved during the flight, and remember to check your seat pockets for any personal belongings. Due to the winds here today on the Gold Coast, we will only be using the forward left-hand door to dismount the aircraft. For your own safety, please hold on to the handrails as you dismount the aircraft and follow the markings on the tarmac to the terminal buildings. And just a reminder that mobile phones are to be used while walking across the tarmac. The aircraft will be refueled shortly after arrival, so a reminder that smoking is strictly prohibited whilst disembarking the aircraft on the tarmac and throughout the terminal building. On behalf of Captain Matt Blundstone, First Officer Josh Milgate and the rest of the crew, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with Jetstar today. It's certainly been a pleasure having you on board and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you and good morning.